morning class. Hope you all are well at home. I am your English teacher Aditi Day. Today I am going to start with your next exercise C of your lesson 5 nouns. So in this many words are given. You have to circle the words which are not noun. Okay. So complete this exercise in your fair copy with the help of pen and write it neatly, nicely with the help of blue and black pen. And if you have any confusion, you can ask me in the class group or personally also, and send it the work after completing before 8:30 to me for copy correction. Okay, so complete it neatly, nicely, and you have to mention those words are not noun, so you have to circle it. Okay, so let's continue. Morning class. As you all know that yesterday I have completed exercise up to B of lesson 5 nouns. Today I am going to start with exercise C of lesson 5 noun English language beta. Circle those words which are not nouns. First is axe, ant, pigeon, doll and fill. So fill is not a naming word, that's why it is not noun, and encircle it. Second is sheep, moon, star, down, girl. These are all naming words, but down is not a naming word and not noun, that's why we encircle it. Third, shirt, jump, trousers, jeans and sweaters. You all know that these are all name of the things: shirt, trouser, jeans, sweater. But jump is not a naming word, so it is not noun, so encircle it. Fourth, rabbit, gaze, grass, egg, ball. Gaze is not a naming word, so it is not noun again. Fifth, coat, school, water, dry, pen. Dry is not a naming word, so we encircle it beta. Rest of the words, coat, school, water, pen, these are all naming words. Sixth, bag, class, army, cut, star. Cut is a verb, so it is not a noun beta. Next, seventh, bake, singer, dancer, dress, sari. Bake and baking is a cooking food process, so it is not a noun, that's why we encircle it. Next, eighth, sky, doll, carpet, book, go. Go is again a verb, so it is not a noun, so we encircle it. Ninth, city, park, children, run, track. City, park, children and track are the naming words, but run is a verb. That's why we encircle it. It is not a noun, children. Next, 10th, life, talk, fire, bottle, road. Talk is again a verb and not a noun beta. So when you completed exercise C, come to the exercise D also. Exercise D, in this you have to underline the common noun and circle the proper noun. So my grandfather reads Hindustan Times in the morning. So common noun is grandfather. Common noun means commonly used name. So grandfather is a common name, so it is common noun, and Hindustan Times is a particular name of the newspaper, so we encircle it as a proper noun. And morning is again common, that's why we underline it. Next is she stays in Agra. Agra is a proper name of a city, so we encircle it. It is a proper noun beta. Next, my birthday is in July. Birthday is used as a common noun. It is anybody's birthday, but particularly it is mentioning that it is in July. So July is a proper noun. Na? Fourth, this poem is composed by Wordsworth. So poem, it is any type of poem, so it is common noun. But Wordsworth composed, it is a particular writer's name. That's why it is a proper noun. Fifth, the giraffe has spots on his body. Giraffe is again is a name of an animal, but it is commonly used. Spots and body. So these three are common noun. Next is Vivan and Varun. It is a particular name of a person, so we encircle it. It is proper noun. Vivan and Varun. But cricket in park is the cricket is proper. Okay, park is common, so we underline it. Next is few schools remain open on Saturday. So Saturday, it is a particular day, so it is a proper noun, and schools, it is common noun. Next, eighth, I will visit Australia in June. So Australia is a particular name of a country, so we encircle it, and June is a particular name of a month, so we encircle it. These two are proper noun. Ninth, Garima goes to parlor on weekdays. So Garima is a particular name, so we encircle it as a proper noun. Parlor, it is commonly used for any parlor, and weekdays is used for any day. So these are common noun. Next is Rajnikant. It is a particular name of an actor. Movie is again a common, and India is again a particular name of a country, so we encircle it. Okay, so complete it neatly, nicely in your English language fair copy and today's homework to learn these two exercises. Okay, thank you.